Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize WPBeginner affiliate tracking settings, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize WPBeginner affiliate tracking settings, first, log in to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the WPBeginner plugin section on the left-hand menu. Click on the WPBeginner settings option. Locate the tracking tab at the top of the settings page. In the tracking section, you will see an option to enter your affiliate ID. If you don't have an affiliate ID, visit the WPBeginner affiliate program page to sign up. Once you have your affiliate ID, copy it to your clipboard. Return to the settings page in your WordPress dashboard. Paste your affiliate ID into the designated field. After entering your ID, ensure that you save your changes. Next, check to see if the tracking feature is enabled. Look for a checkbox that says, Enable Affiliate Tracking. If it is disabled, click the checkbox to enable it. After enabling, save your settings once more. To verify the setup, navigate to a post where affiliate links are used. Click on the affiliate links to test if they redirect through your tracking ID. You can review your affiliate performance in the WPBeginner dashboard. That's it. You've successfully authorized WPBeginner affiliate tracking settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.